Hey there crew, it's Mark Fig, and I go by MENWHOBULLET here on YouTube, as well as Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and my blog and website, menwhobullet.com. And every day, almost every day, we're showing you something new from the June subscription box from Archer and Olive. This is all around Camp A&O, and today I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to share with you another item inside of here, because by the end of the month, you are going to see 7 out of the 9 items. No sneak peeks, full reveal, like this glass water bottle that I just pulled out of this box. So Archer and Olive has this great thing where sometimes they give you things to drink out of. We got a teacup one time that was beautiful, and this time we got ourselves a glass water bottle. Has an ampersand here on the top in wood. Nice little deal. Little white trim around here as well, which is nice. It's not leaning any way. This is a very neutral water bottle that you can fill up in glass. It does say to hand wash only, and take on your creative adventures and be hydrated while you do it. So this is a fun little add-on. Is it stationary? Not really, but it'll keep you nice and hydrated while you are doing stationary type things. So excited for this. And if you saw the video beforehand, we also have a traveler's notebook that we saw last time too. So we're just gonna keep building on this before we do that full reveal, which again, you're gonna see most of it before the box is even out. So they're doing something different this year. So I'd love to hear from you down in the comments below. What do you think so far of this next subscription box from Archer and Olive? I'm liking it so far. Colors are cool, products are cool, and I can't wait to show you even more next time. I'll talk to you very soon, and if you aren't subscribed, make sure you do that way you're notified when I'm gonna be releasing and talking about the next full reveal of item from this upcoming June subscription box from Archer and Olive. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.